Try to guess where I'm at. Came in, or used the toilet. That's why the toilet lid is up. And well, didn't have enough toilet paper to get the job done. Now I don't see any extra roll. Got a hair dryer, 2 wash rags. I guess that's a face towel, regular towels. Got the non-slip towel. The tub. I had to finish cleaning off in the tub, but yeah, very slippery. Doesn't have the grooves to make it safe. This is the type of shower head we got. We got that right there. That got a place for your soap. Little paint stains on the walls. Got a little art. Got that right there. When I came in, they were still cleaning fluid on the toilet. Because they didn't use a warm rag to get the rest of the cleaning fluid off. That's the most effective way. Look at how that connector looks. That I would not allow if I was in charge of keeping these rooms clean and maintained. Look at that outlet. Painted over the outlet a little bit. Got some tissues. Look at this right here. Got some conditioner. Got some shampoo. Got some body lotion. Moisturizer, conditioner, alcohol free. Got a cleansing bar. I don't see anywhere that says it's. Oh, there you go. It says soap. You gotta make sure it actually says soap. Because soap sometimes is not soap. Can't even call it soap. Got the sink. With more paint around this one, but it's in better shape. Got a little clothing hook. That right, the hairdryer is supposed to be on this hook. Can't really show the door because it has my location. At least too many clues. ironing board. Some hangers. Got a iron. Looks clean to me. Probably only used like once or twice, realistically. Yeah, it looks like it. They paint over mold in the closet. Trying not to show the exact hotel. They put the do not disturb thing that has the information on it. Got you a decent sized desk, chair, a lamp. Got 3 regular outlets, 2 USBs. I'm not sure what that is, but it needs to be clean. Hamilton Beach commercial coffee maker. 1 coffee pot. 2 coffee cups, 2 water cups, creamer and all that. Ice bucket. Got a TV, big screen. Got drawers. Got your microwave. Magic Chef mini fridge. This is where some hotels go wrong. Better not be. It looks like they actually clean the thing. A lot of hotels I stay in, this thing's dirty. At most hotels, but this one pretty clean. You can see a little residue left on this, but I ain't gonna dock them for it. I can't clean glass worth a damn anyways either. But the point is, it's clean. Got a decent air conditioning unit. It was on when I got in the room. Got curtains. Got another piece of art right here. See, I put my stuff right here. But got another. Okay. Got that. Got a clock. More outlets. Light next to the bed. The bed has a headboard and cushion at that. Got pillows. Got 5 pillows, 4 regulars, 1 decorative. Bed sheets. know if this is substandard or what, because it's supposed to be flat, nice and flat. No waviness. They really want to be on point. See that one layer, 2 layer, and then they have a mattress cover. Here we got the, I guess it's a room-to-room phone, because that's the only thing that these phones are actually good for, because we now have cell phones. So if you want to communicate room to room, this is the thing to use. Got another lamp right here. Got a couch, 2 decorative pillows, and a dining tray. I just might order something to be delivered here. I haven't sat on this yet, but yeah, look at all these stains. I have not put anything over here. Now, if I used a black light, I would be really afraid to see what is here. Got a lamp over here. Got 4 more pieces of art. Got your detector. I just learned today at work that these things let off a little bit of radiation. Not a good thing to know. Got a little fire sprinkler. Got a little lamp. Got another fire sprinkler over here. It's directly over the bed. But the other, get a little closer to the floor to see the towels that they've chose, and the carpet. You always want to look at this right here. It ain't perfect, but it ain't like exactly a premium brand like the Marriott. I can tell you that much. The Marriott would have people with toothbrushes cleaning this thing. Just showing you this to show the cleanliness. It's another spot that some people miss.